Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I think I got a little project for myself. I found a handle that's in decent used condition, and I've got a hammerhead. It's unmarked. I've already kind of cleaned it up. I think I de-rusted it. There's still some rust inside, but it's clean enough. So what I'm going to do is maybe shine this up a little bit more, and then gonna see what I can do with the handle, and then join the two and see what kind of hammer I come up with. Alright, well, I'll get started. See you in a bit. Okay guys, the hammer's done. That's all I'm going to do to it. Basically I just shined up the head and the face here. Left all this plain. Shined up the top of it. Kind of hard to see there. Kind of sanded down the handle, put some stain on it, kind of blended in some red paint. So give it a little personality there. But yeah, didn't want to do too much to it. I just wanted a quick project that was easy to do. And yeah, that's my hammer fix up. Thanks for watching. Bye.